Namaste friends. While making the best natural dishwash cleaner, if we use glass jar instead of the plastic container, then we can even make use of the tamarind pulp that is left to make a terrific tamarind preserve. Just filter the liquid extract and then just look for any hard material in the tamarinds. Just remove them and grind the rest of the tamarind pulp into a paste. The tamarind paste won't be very sour in taste because all the acidity would have gone into the liquid culture for making the soap. So it will be mild and we can still make use of it in our cooking. Please be cautious that we cannot use tamarind or lime or lemon juice in acidity and ulcer conditions. So better to prefer kokum or amla in that case. Just take a tablespoon or how much ever you would require the sourness into a bowl and mix it with water, and just with fingers itself we can remove the any fibers present in it, and then use the liquid part in our cooking in rasam, sambar, etc. And the solid tamarind paste that we have, we can keep it in the fridge because it might get that white yeast formed on the top if we leave it outside due to the exposure to the oxygen. But this kind of white yeast won't form when we leave the tamarind fibers in quite good amount of the liquid culture. So while filtration, keep quite a good amount of the liquid culture back in the tamarind fibers, and you can just leave the glass jar container outside as well. In this case, no need to refrigerate. This way, we can make use of the leftover tamarinds as well. It also makes our job very easy to have a readily available soft tamarind paste handy with us. Then what do we do about the leftover lime peels that we use to extract the lime juice in making best natural dishwash cleaner? Just chop them into small pieces and use them to make citrus bioenzyme. Here we use 3 parts of citrus peels, 1 part of jaggery and 10 parts of water. Just add them all into a plastic container and leave it to ferment for 3 months. And we can just compost the leftover soap net fibers into the compost bin. So nothing goes waste in this process of making the best natural dishwash cleaner. It is such an amazing product that we are not wasting any single item while making this product. Making these kind of natural products would be the best way to protect our environment for the future generations. Please do like and share this video with all so that many will be benefited, and also subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out something, because we learn many things related to living healthy natural lifestyle. Thank you all so much.